my presentation. My dear learners, I hope that you are safe and sound, healthy and hearty. Today I am going to take another new class on collocations, and after some days again I have returned to take another new episode for you. And today's word I have been selected for you: computer. Computer, it's very renowned word in the world, and at present time it's very common and popular to us. Today I'm going to explain before you. Very beginning I am going to explain about computer, then how would you use as a collocation in English language, English writing. Now I am going to start. First, computer definition: an electronic machine that stores information and uses programs to help you find, organize or change the information. That is the main task of computer. And I'm going to take this class thoroughly English to English. Why? Because if you try to understand, and you should change your motive and thinking, you should focus on listening English, then try to imagine, then try to imitate. And if you do these activities, inshallah, your English speaking must be developed. There is no doubt. Now I'm going to explain in details as a collocation. Firstly, verbs. How would you use computer as a verbs in English sentence? Use a computer. Most people, this is the example. Most people do jobs in which they have to use computer. At present time, if you don't have any skill in computer, you won't get a good job and you won't be able to. That's been overall your job sector, communication sector, and overall all through in the world you will be disqualified, though you are educated person. So try to acquire, try to learn skill in computer. Log on to a computer. Start using it by typing a password. Next time you log on to your computer, you will have to use new password. That's mean password is a word that is called a key. If you enter into your device, you have to use password for security reason. That is must be essential present world. And switch a computer on or off. Switch a computer on or off. That's mean if you start, you have to push a start button. Then if you want to off, you have to use that button. Understand? And that is uses switch a computer on off. Start off or boot up a computer. Make it start working. And shut down a computer. Shut down means close. Close the computer programs and stop it working. When you shut down, that's when all the programs that time will be closed and it would be work any programs. And restart or reboot a computer. Make it, its meaning, make it start working again. Restart or reboot. That's mean if you want to use your computer very nicely, and sometimes you have to use restart. Restart means that will be by itself, its function set up automatically by using restart button. So that is also related in computer. Program a computer, give it instructions so that it will do a particular job. Program a computer. Computer is very vital part of program. Program means it's a different part, and program, give it instruction. Computer always takes from you some instruction. If you give it instruction, then computer will run. and that is overall it's broadly called program. And hold or store, STs means something on a computer. A computer starts up or boot up. A computer starts up or boot up. A computer crashes, that is also used in computer related. Crashes means suddenly stops working. Sometimes it may damaged. Sometimes it may stops. Sometimes it may be, that's mean hindered by a different way. Understand? And mostly and that's been bad devices. Mostly attacking by hackers. A computer is down, it's not working. And a software, a program runs on a computer. Software or a program, that is also essential for computer. And without software, without program, you cannot imagine a computer because it's a life of a computer. Now I'm going to explain before your computer plus noun. How would you use before computer, then you can use a word that is called noun. But previously computer. A computer system. Our office is installing a new computer system. And a computer screen or monitor. Make sure your computer screen is at the right height. That's mean right height means when you set up on a chair and you should balance your computer screen, and otherwise you will be physically challenged and you will be weakened physically. And another, a computer keyboard, that is very essential. If you want to type someone, you have to use keyboard. A computer network, a set of computers connected to each other. Computer network, that means it will be differentiate. That's mean different way. That's mean LAN, MAN. LAN means local area network. MAN means metropolitan area network. And all over, if you want to connect it using internet, that is called connected all over the world. And a computer program, a set of instructions stored inside a computer. My dear learners, now I am going to show before you more words, computer plus noun. Learners, again I have come before you for explaining more words, computer plus noun. Now I am going to show before you in details. Computer software. Computer software. A computer programs. Software means a computer programs. As software includes different kinds of programs, and that is called included, in short, software. Computer hardware or equipment. Hardware or equipment. Hardware means computer's body that we can touch. Software means we can see its working activities but we can touch. That is the main difference, hardware and software. And equipment means machines and equipments, not programs. Again, hardware means machines and equipment, not programs. Programs means software. And other words is computer related, a computer game that is very used to play different kinds of ages. People, they love to play using computer game. Computer graphics. Graphics means images created by computers. Graphics means images, different using images, that is uses for graphics. Computer technology, computer science, and that is another branch of different universities are taught in computer science, and it is one of the most renowned subject all over the world, and that is good demand. And if you are skilled and if you study in computer technology, and after studying computer science, if you are able to create or produce more activities, that will be more demandable. And someone who writes the instructions computer used to do a particular job. That's mean computer programmer. Programmer means computer user, a computer programmer. Programmer means someone who writes the instruction, a particular instruction a computer uses to do a particular job. Programmer means he is working and he works particular jobs for helping for the institutions. A computer virus, that is most essential word to know. Virus. What is virus? Virus means it's also a program that secretly destroys information. What? That secretly destroys information stored on computers. That is stored information, and virus can help to destroy. So you should use antivirus program, and you should be aware of different kinds of program if you use computer. A computer error. Error means sometimes it doesn't work properly. Okay, and again I would like to explain some topics. Computer science, the study of computers and what they can do. A computer user or a computer programmer, someone who writes the instructions a computer uses to do a particular job. Computer virus, a program that can secretly destroy information stored on computers, already collected, already gathered information. That information destroys by virus. My dear learners, I hope that you have already understood, and today I have explained before you about computer related word, and that is called collocation. And thank you very much for watching the video clips and listening me very attentively. Allah Hafiz.